Let's fill out the Virginia ATV bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up a transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you've got an ATV to sell, and you want to make sure your bill of sale checks every box? Let's walk through what's required, step by step. First, you'll need the certificate of title to transfer ownership. That's the foundation of the whole transaction. On the front of that title, look for Section A. That's where the signature goes. Both the seller or the purchaser will need to sign there, so make sure that's filled in correctly. If there's a lien holder on the vehicle, you'll also need to take care of Section F. That's the lien information section, and a release from the lien holder is required before the transfer can move forward. Now, for identifying the ATV itself, you'll need a vehicle price certification that includes the VIN, the make, and the year. That ties the paperwork directly to the specific vehicle being sold. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.